Well, this model kit review is of the 2018 Ford Mustang GT, and it's a simple kit, only 13 parts. They're kind of clicked together, and it looks like it comes in different colors, so you don't need to glue or stick anything together. You can if you want to. You don't even need to paint anything. So this is a level 2. So really simple model kit. Let's see here. Here's a picture of the model. Very simple looking model. Some details there. Optional painting there you can do if you want to with those colors. And let's have a look inside. I guess this is really aimed at people who are just starting to get into modeling, not wanting to glue or paint. So here is the body. We've got the headlights installed already, and then we've got glass also installed already there. It's very shiny, as opposed to the normal plastic is not shiny, but this is shiny, like it's been, sprayed with something to finish it. Not bad. It's got some recessed lines here. You could certainly do something with if you wanted to, with some panel liner. And over here we've got our cockpit here with seats, console, everything is also already installed. And then you've got your wheels and chassis. Those are the exhausts. Here are the other wheels, metal axles there. And then we've got these pieces here with some detail. So it's not a completely detailless car. Here's the rear lights with the GT symbol. Here's a spoiler. That's our front grille there with the pony. Got our steering wheel there, and our dashboard, some trim pieces, and then not even sure what those are for. Let's have a look at the instructions and see if we can find out. So those are the colors recommended, red, gloss and silver metallic. So over here we've got the body going together with the front and back trim. Build our dashboard with steering wheel, put that on our cockpit. Mount that inside the body, and that should just snap into place. And we've got the wheels going on. Looks like they just click into place there. And then I guess these pins are actually in place of screws. They'll just pop into place. You mount the chassis on the body, and then you can paint the exhaust tip silver and put those pins in to hold the model together. And we do have some decals here. They're actually stickers, not decals, so you can just peel and stick with some logos. So, very simple kit, basic for beginners.